Just got this new System76 Mini in. Quick unboxing. Some nice little graphics on the box. What will you make? Plenty of I/O here. Got some vents on the side, which is pretty handy. Mount. It's nice to include. Power supply. Screws for the mount. Comes with some instructions. Okay, you don't really get instructions exactly, but you get some cool stickers and something called Desktop Sentinel, and you get a welcome letter here, which includes how you can get support. And to mount this to the plate, you take the two screws that came in the little plastic Ziploc bag and screw them into the bottom of the computer, and then you slide that into the mount plate.